Model, 63-plate Mercedes Sprinter 313CDI 3.5t long Luton box with working tail lift open mouth smile. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 244,249. MOT, 18 April 2024. Engine, 2143 cc 651 129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Engine is a Minter smiling face with hearts, gearbox and clutch look all good. Rear diff will need to replacing shortly. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.